In this video, I'll show you how to get a PBE account in League of Legends. Now there's gonna be two links and I'm gonna put them in the description. The one is to sign up for the PBE and the other is to download it. So first you wanna sign up, go to the link, then make the account. Then once you've made the account, what you wanna do is you wanna take the other link and you want to come to the download to the PBE and press download on Windows. Now what this will do is it will download you the PBE version of the League of Legends and then simply install that. After that's done, log in with your new account and you should be on the PBE. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. There's not really much more to it. It's really simple. You just have to make the account and download the PBE launcher. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.